My gym is closed. I don't know what to do. Does that sound familiar? Because I certainly hate the fact that gyms are closed. But anyways, let's stay positive. This may look like a tiny downtown Toronto condo, but it's actually my gym. I believe that the world is your gym, and right now we got no choice but to turn everything into our gym. So what can you do with this little bit of space? Is this enough for a gym? Yes, it is. Let me show you more. So how do you get inspiration and training at home? I mean, it's tough, let's be honest. Most of us like being in a gym, you like being around people, you like talking shit, you like, you know, seeing some pretty girls, seeing some pretty guys, whatever you want to see, you like looking around, you like doing things. We don't have that now, but that's okay. We can still get our workouts in. This shit's not gonna open for a while. So here are my top tips for getting a good workout in at home. Buy the right tools. So for example, you need a kettlebell. I got a 45 pound, I would recommend a 45 and a 35. Get some bands. Buy any bands you can find. You know, people ask me what kind of bands to get. Literally anything. Amazon. Yeah. I'm actually not using Amazon, but that's a different story. I already had this stuff luckily for my travels. Find any bands you can find. Find any towels you can find. Towel actually comes in handy. It's not just for wiping down your sweat. I actually have been using the towel to bring back curls. Who doesn't miss bicep curls? Especially guys with tiny arms like myself. You need to be doing more of these. So get a belt, you get a towel, and then use anything you can. Any space can be turned into a gym. So this bench is meant for, you know, you would think it's meant for loitering, putting on your shoes. It's not. This is actually a workout bench, which I didn't think of in the first lockdown, but this bench right here allows me to do so many workouts. I could do the dumbbell chest pullover. Let me show you just a few quick ones here. I've been doing the pullovers. Oh. You see this? You see? Ooh. This is actually a tough one. That works your chest. You can throw some of these in. You can use the bench to hold on to as you work your rows. Like I said, you get that one kettlebell and you can do every workout pretty much imaginable. And there's obviously more kettlebell videos. I've linked to some articles, I've linked to some videos, I've shared some videos. But this one bell, you can do so many different things with it. And my best suggestion is to use the bell, use any weights you have to make the basics tougher. So a lot of home workout plans are all about lots of reps. And I hate doing reps, just to be honest, it gets really boring. So what I do is I take this kettlebell, sorry, put it in my bag. I actually won this bag as an award for my personal finance website many years ago. So it's a really good bag. It's meant for traveling and people who do that kind of stuff, or did that kind of stuff. So you put this in, and now you can go to town. Because the trick to home workouts is to make them more intense. So the body weight stuff, we all did that the first round. It got so lame, you know, I got tired of seeing someone doing 1,000 push-ups. That's stupid, I don't care about that. So you could do this to make your push-ups more challenging. Just make sure you got the bell in the right spot. So for example, you see, your push-ups get a lot more challenging than just regular push-ups. And then once you get bored of that, once again, you can see all our other home workouts in our Corona story tab. Once you get bored of that, you can do some decline push-ups. Once again, work that chest. And then you can use this bell for obviously any kind of leg day stuff between goblet squats, swings, snatches. I don't want to show you every workout, it's kind of boring. I just want to give you a rough idea of how you can turn even a little tiny condo space into a gym. So remember, the world is your gym. Let's get those workouts in. Gyms are gonna be closed for a while. Let's try to stay jacked while we can.